Fourth $2,000 stimulus check update. Social Security reforms. Social Security reforms are planning in Congress. Democratic lawmakers from both the houses and the Senate trying to satisfy President Biden to add recurring stimulus checks in the upcoming infrastructure package. There is also news of Social Security stimulus increase and reforms. A letter sent to President Joe Biden to improve security income in the forthcoming American Families Plan by bilateral lawmakers. Moreover, both houses want to raise monthly benefits to above the federal poverty line. This could lift 7 million people out of poverty, according to the Urban Brookings Tax Policy Center. However, President Biden said he will not give less stimulus than his predecessors. Timeline for stimulus payment. July 11 to 17, bill will pass in the House of Representatives. From July 18 to 24, Senate worked on this bill and will approve their version of the bill. House of Representatives reapproves the Senate version and President Biden signs on it. This may happen within from 25 to 31st July. So here may be the theoretical timeline for stimulus payments. The first batch of direct deposits from August 1 to 7. The first batch of paper checks August 8 to 14. The first batch of EIP or debit cards August 15 to 21. Stimulus checks for Social Security recipients and VA August 22 to 28. So as always, Social Security and VA is this time at last. Recurring stimulus checks. According to the analysis of the Urban Broking Tax Policy Center, other rounds of payments would lift 6.6 to 7.3 million people out of poverty. Food and housing insecurity still have financial issues for many Americans. This may be the reason lawmakers of Democratic from both the chambers of Congress are requesting recurring stimulus checks and child credit checks and an unemployment boost of $300 weekly. SSI benefits. Currently, SSI benefits stand at $794 a month. That is far below the poverty line. So that's why they are requesting to President to increase federal SSI benefit. Paperwork nightmare. There is a major issue with the Social Security is of paperwork, said Chair Sherrod Brown, Social Security Committee. He said that SSI applications and awards are at historic lows. For paperwork, you need a law degree as the application is consist of 23 pages long. They are working on it and to simplify the process of application, they are providing online video service.